Hi, it's Michelle with the Singing Baker again. Today I'm bringing you a fun recipe that I've made over the years. It's super easy. It's a great one actually for Saturday when you're hanging around your house all day. You get a crock pot and you put a big chuck roast inside, throw a lot of different seasonings on top as well as beef broth, and then let it cook down all day. Your house will smell beautiful and it tastes really nice for dinner. Italian beef sandwiches. Stay tuned. So for ingredients today, you're going to be needing some beef broth, some salt, some ground black pepper, some dried oregano, dried basil, some onion salt, some dried parsley, also some garlic powder, bay leaf, some Italian salad dressing mix, and also your rump roast. I usually get about a 2.5 pounder. And what we're going to do, this is going to be a really quick video because all you basically do is put your rump roast inside the crock pot, and then you get all the rest of the ingredients on the stove. You're going to bring it up to a quick boil and then turn it off, and then you're going to pour it over your meat. And then just basically let it sit all day and just make your house smell delicious. So if you have the time, you're going to put it on low heat for 10 to 12 hours. Or if you're in a little bit more of a rush, you can put it on high heat for like 4 to 5, and then it should be done at that time. And then at the very end, you have some hoagie rolls. I don't think I mentioned that earlier, so get some hoagie rolls as well. And I also got some provolone cheese. So I'm just going to put the meat in there, put it in the hoagie, put it into the toaster, either a toaster oven, or you can put it in the oven just for maybe 5 minutes and let some provolone cheese melt on top of the meat. Another option is if you want to grab some peppers from the store, you can always throw peppers in your sandwich as well and just change it up. Okay, so gonna get my stuff on the stove and get it started, and I hope you enjoyed this one. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much. Bye. Okay, just at the stovetop here. This is gonna go real quick, like I said. So we're just gonna let this cook all day, and I will show you a picture of the hoagies at the end. So you're sitting around your house all day, you want something easy, just throw all of this together. I basically just put all of my ingredients, all of those herbs that I was mentioning, and if you took a snapshot of the list, just grab all that stuff at the store. You may have actually a ton of it in your seasoning cabinet, but just put it in a big little serving bowl here and mix it together. And I'm just going to heat this up real quick. And as soon as I heat it up, I'm going to put it in the crock pot over my meat and then get it started. That's all there is to it. I hope you enjoy this one. Alright, so I got this up to a boil, and I'm just going to pour it over my meat now in the crock pot. Here we go.